In this video, I'm just going to show you just basics about and to use Google Classrooms. I will have other videos to show you more in-depth of adding assignments, viewing assignments, grading assignments, and all the other features of Google Classroom. When you log into your Google Classroom, since Griffin-Spalding County has automatically uploaded our classes from our Infinite Campus for us, which is a wonderful addition that we have this year, your homepage when you log in will look similar to this, except it was not going to have names of any classes. It's going to just have the numbers that is associated with your class from Infinite Campus. In order to get to your class, you'll see right here, you'll have buttons that say accept. You will need to accept your class in order to utilize it. Once it's accepted, you'll be able to go in. Now, I went in and created a demo class. That way you could not see any of my students' names or information. So I'm just going to click on my demo class here. And this is what your main screen will look like when you log in, even with your class that you have uploaded. So you'll see you have your class stream. And right now there's nothing on here, but it shows you that assignments and posts appear here. And I will show you how to do that in a later video. You have student option up here. This is where all of your students will show up, as well as the class code. Now you are able to reset the class code to something different. You are not, though, able to create a class code. That way, if students are somehow kicked off of Google Classroom, which has happened before this year, or they come in and Infinite Campus has not had them uploaded onto Google Classroom, then when they go in to join the class, they would enter this class code, and then they will join your students and can see everything that you have posted. You also have the option of what students can do. Here, students can post and comment, or you can change it to where students can only make comments, or have it to where only you, the teacher, can post or comment. It is completely up to you and what you would like to do in your classroom. You can also invite the guardians of the parents, the guardians of the students, in order for them to log in and also see what's going on in Google Classroom. At the About here, this is where you will be able to access your Google Class Drive folder. Very simple, clicking on here, and it will take you to your folder. Since this is a demo class and I don't have anything, you won't see anything at the moment, but I will go and show you one that is already active. You have a classroom calendar. That way you can put assignments or anything you would like for the class to see. You can invite teachers. So if you do co-teach or you have other teachers that would like to access it, you can invite them to join this class. And then here you can just add some class material. Now, let me go back to this classes to show you. If you don't like the name that is put on your homepage for each class, especially if you're like us and we're departmentalized and it's just a bunch of random numbers that you don't know what class goes with what, you are able to change the name very simply by clicking these three dots right here and clicking edit. It will come up with a box to where you can change the name. So here, Demo 5. And click save, and it will change the name automatically to what you want the class to be named. Now, let me show you quickly a class that is already active, and this is what I use for my homeroom class. So here, as you see, here is our stream. Here is everything that I have uploaded on here for the students to have access to. And this right here is just nothing but like links to things I wanted them to go through, just my homeroom. If you click on, I will not click on students because I do not want you to see any of my student information. But about, there, I just put my room number on there. But if you click on your class drive folder, this will show you everything that you have uploaded onto Google Drive for the students. Now, these are just links that I wanted them to go to, so it did create boxes. But if you clicked on it, then if each individual had if each student had an assignment you wanted them to complete individually, it will show up here. And I will show you more about that when we talk about creating assignments and activities for students. So that's the basic overview of Google Classroom. there will be more videos that you can click on to view how to do different options that there are in Google Classroom. Thanks.